Hey guys, welcome back to Press for Truth TV. Today is Wednesday, February the 15th, 2012, and I'm just here with Bryan Law today. We are working on putting the final touches on today's weekly video report, which is called Police Accountability, SIU, and the G20. And basically some new information has come out recently about some of the undercovers and their involvement with infiltrating some of the activist groups who were taking part in a lot of the things that went on at the G20 summit. So there's a couple things we didn't quite cover in the video because there's so much involved with this case, but what are some of the things that we didn't really touch on in this video that we can mention now?
Well, some of the interesting facts were that Brenda Doherty, as she was known to Alex Hundred at the time, actually helped select a lot of the targets that were destroyed during the G20, including parts of Commerce Court, Starbucks, and other locations. In fact, Alex was quoted in a Globe and Mail article as saying that other than himself, there was nobody more involved than Brenda. And I don't know if that's an exact quote, I might be paraphrasing there, but regardless, the undercover officers actually helped select the target list of where to attack during the G20. And another interesting thing about Ontario conspiracy laws are that in Ontario, you don't even need to commit the crime that you're conspiring against. If you and another person simply joke about committing a crime, for instance, if I were to say, let's go smash open a bank window and burn it down, and someone else said, yeah, that's really fun, let's go do that. We've now engaged in conspiracy to commit a crime, and in Ontario you can be charged with conspiracy under those circumstances alone, so you don't even need to commit the offense. So the undercovers helped select some targets and created conspiracies, real conspiracies, directly within the group, even before the summit took place.
Yeah, and as I understand it, even a lot of these undercovers, while they were doing these operations, would have a whole bunch of police officers, sometimes up to a dozen, within 2 or 3 blocks of their location, right around the corner, just in case their cover got blown. The police can come in and rescue them. So this was such a huge operation, and as Bryan pointed out, the whole conspiracy laws here in Canada is basically, it's like a thought crime. It's a pre-crime, labeling you as a criminal before you've actually done anything. So that's how a lot of these guys were set up during the G20 summit, and that's why we saw all the things happen that we saw took place. So head on over to the weekly video section report, check out today's video, and share it around, because, I mean, having accountability for our police and their actions is extremely important. So share the video, and that's it for today, guys. I will talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.